Hello YouTube, it's been about a year, so I'll give you an update on the shed. There it is, still looking good, still doing what I built it for me to use. I'd probably be in there every day doing something, either putting stuff away or cutting the lawn or something. I use it for something every day. And this is what it looks like inside right now. It's pretty much filled to the rafter with stuff. Got my lawnmowers right there. Got my power tools right there. My air compressor. Got my engine hoist and my boat motor there. Lots of odds and ends, things that I don't use every day. So I kind of stuff them in here. I like to tinker with computers, so I have a lot of computer components in here. So if I need it, I know where they are. And pretty much that's it. Whenever I need to store something out of the house, I come and bring it in here, and it's doing great. I love it. I got the lights hooked up, so if I have to come out here at night and look for something, I can find it. I'm always reorganizing it so I can find things a little better, and I love it. It's well worth the effort and the time and money that I spent to build it. So if you're thinking about building one, I say go ahead and try it, because it's a worthy adventure, and I think you can do it. Just look on YouTube and get some pointers and tips, and just go for it. It's not that hard. But anyway, let's kind of close it up so you can see what it looks like. So, I'm customizing it. Got my flag, got my sign. I'm always finding signs from the swap meet when I go, old ones, and I'll put it in. Pretty soon I'll have it all full of signs, and that'll be my own twist to it. Anyway, if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you on the next video.